Tesstudio Digital Signal Streaming Mirror S92 Installation Tutorial. Remove the passenger's side interior trim. Pry out the clips at the location shown on the passenger side video. Remove the passenger side door sill trim. Disconnect the two plugs from the original car and connect the power cable included in the product kit. Conceal the S92 rearview mirror power cable inside the passenger side A-pillar, extending it to the ceiling trim. Hide the LVDS cable along the right side of the interior. Connect one end of the LVDS cable to the S92 rearview mirror and the other end to the rear camera. Detach the original rearview mirror and remove the mirror cover. Install the S92 rearview mirror bracket and screw in the screws provided in the product kit. Be sure to add washers before tightening the screws. Thread the S92 rearview mirror cable through the hole in the cover plate and install the S92 rearview mirror. Cover the plate and hide the cable within the ceiling trim. Connect the corresponding wires to the S92 rearview mirror. Peel off the adhesive backing on the front camera and stick it to your preferred area. Connect the power cable. Hide the cable within the ceiling trim. Remove the interior cover of the trunk lid. Open the cover located above the rear license plate. Thread the rear camera cable through the hole. Peel off the adhesive backing on the rear camera and stick it to the cover plate. Ensure the rear camera cable is properly positioned within the cable groove at the bottom of the cover plate. Connect the rear camera to the LVDS cable. Reattach the trunk lid interior cover. By following these steps, your S92 rearview mirror and camera system will be successfully installed and ready for use.